So, is AI the future of real estate? I'm JP Fluellen, Titan Real Estate Team at Real Broker, and in today's video, we're going to talk about, is AI going to take over real estate, and what could that look like if it does? So, really what it comes down to with AI is that right now AI is great. It is integrated into a lot of things right now. I'm sure you've probably heard of ChatGPT, OpenAI, and what is AI doing in the real estate space right now in terms of how is it going to replace the real estate agent? Well, good news is that it is not going to replace the real estate agent. What it is going to do, though, it's going to enhance all of the things that we're currently doing, which is following up, reaching out to clients on a regular basis. It is also going to help us do better and faster calculations for maybe a CMA or maybe projections for home values in a certain area, or how to help us write better emails, how to do effective text messaging to get people to reach out to us. Also, having it integrated in our CRMs, it will also help us find potential clients that are ready to buy a lot faster rather than trying to comb through a lot of data. Because the great thing about AI is that what it's able to do is it's able to comb through data a lot faster than we can, and then also give us predictive analytics. And that is what's great about AI. And so when you're looking at different companies that you're trying to be a part of, or if you're currently in a situation where your brokerage is not moving forward, we actually have CRMs currently that we're working with right now that has AI that actually will follow up with our leads for us automatically 24/7, which is amazing. And also we have integrated AI that will also help us write bios for our profiles, which will also help us write emails and drip campaign sequences and also ideas for video. So if you're not doing these kinds of things in your business right now, you might want to reach out to us because we could definitely help you, and maybe you can see if Real is a good fit for you. So give us a call, shoot us a text, shoot us a DM, or just make a comment on the bottom of this video and we'll definitely reach out to you. And so I'm JP Fluellen, Titan Real Estate Team at Real. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace! You made it to the end of this video. If you'd like to see more of what's going on our channel, you can watch that video, you can watch that video, or you can subscribe. Catch you next time. Peace!